Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. I have my new Lotus Emira behind me and it just got its first mod. So let me show you. So as you can probably tell, the car has tint now and it's on the front windows, but let me tell you the unique thing about the Emira that is not typical for any passenger vehicle. There is an option of factory privacy glass on the rear and these side windows. I have never seen a passenger car with that from the factory. SUVs, yes, but never a sports car. In fact, all my other sports cars, I've had to get tint all the way around. Yeah, it's very surprising, and I think I know why. I'm going to show you here. If I open up the hatch, I believe it's a legal thing in the US where they're not allowed to do that, but this car has a rear window right here where, you know, the rear view mirror you can still see out of. That is clear. So I believe that's how they get away from the regulation requiring clear windows all the way around. But yeah, this glass is darkly tinted, probably about 20% or so, along with the side from the factory, and that is an option. It was an option on the first edition. It is a at cost option on the regular edition Emiras. So yeah, very interesting. But yeah, let me just show you the tint I got. I took the car back to One Touch Tint near me. They did an awesome job. I took my Mach-E there a couple years ago. So Kevin at One Touch Tint did an awesome job, and they computer cut the film to match the windows. And I was very surprised that they even had the 24 Lotus Emira in their system, because it isn't the most common vehicle, but sure enough, they did. He lined it up very nice, and he was able to file the edges for a nice clean cut look. And this is the 30% tint. It's their black ceramic, which is a hybrid ceramic, which does have some nice IRR protection, and I'll show that on the screen here. But yeah, it just looks awesome. Completes the blackout treatment on the car. Really adds to the look of this beautiful vehicle. So I will put their contact info in the link below if you want to check them out if you're in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area. They are really great to work with as well. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think of the tint and of the car in the comments below. Definitely subscribe for tons more videos on my new Lotus Emira. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.